Okay, I'm going to show you how to get your student logged in to Google Classroom. One of the things that makes it the easiest is if you use the Google Chrome web browser. So that is what I'm in right now, is Google Chrome. And on my screen you can see that I can choose accounts. I have different accounts available. So in order to get your student on, what you're going to want to do is use another user account there, and you're going to have to put in the student email. For our kids, it's the graduation year, and then it's going to be the first 7 letters of the last name or the entire last name if it's less than 7 letters. So I'm going to be using Dylan's information here. I have permission to be able to do that. So there's his last name, and then you're going to put the first letter of the first name. So for him, 29 Mackie D. And then it's going to be at students.clkschools.org. Okay, so that is the actual physical email address that you're going to need to fill in. Hit the next button. Each student already knows their password. It's the same as all of the ones that we've been using at school. So you're going to need to have the password from the student to sign them in. And then go ahead and click Next. And now what you can see, you may want to save the password on your computer just to make life easier. I am not going to do that because Dylan doesn't often use my computer. So, but what you will notice is that Dylan's little D right here has showed up. And so now to get to Google Classroom from here, after he is signed in, all you have to do is hit the waffle, which is not the technical name, but it is what most people call it. Click on the waffle, and there should be a Google Classroom icon. And you just click on that. And once you get into this screen, you just click on the Miss Lancor, and they are into Google Classroom, and they know how to navigate around in here after that. So that is how you get onto Google Classroom fairly easily using Google Chrome. One other thing that you might want to be aware of, if you notice up at the top of my screen right here, that's actually my little picture, me dressed up as Pippi Longstocking, for those of you who might not know. You can actually also sign the entire Google Chrome right into the student's web browser. So if I go down here, I can see Dylan is now showing up there because he was signed in just a second ago. So if I click on Dylan's name, what it's going to do is it's going to open up a new set of windows. And this is actually Dylan's screen that he would see on his Chromebook here at school. So it has all of his things that he would need in order to do stuff like he does at school. So that is also a very, very helpful thing. And you can always switch that back and forth between the other people that are signed in under that computer, and you can always add in somebody else, and it would work just like how I did the email address and the password before. So if you have any questions, please let me know.